So you're telling me nobody showed you this while you were losing money buying random meme coins? Because in the last few months, I turned a few $100s into six figures by catching meme coins before the crowd even noticed them. And no, this is not luck. This is not gambling. And this is definitely not one of those fake 1000x guru videos. In this video, I'm showing you the exact setup I use inside Axiom Pro. The filters, the terminal settings, how I avoid rugs, how I spot real community coins, and the chart patterns that helped me catch pumps early. And if you actually stay until the end, you'll understand why most traders lose money before the coin even moves. And one more thing, just a quick reminder, if you decide to use Axiom, I've got a registration link down in the description. And if you sign up through that link, you'll get 10% off trading fees. Next, fund the wallet with Sol using the Solana network. Once the funds hit the wallet, they instantly appear inside Axiom. Now we're inside the terminal. And this right here is where most people instantly get overwhelmed. Too many coins, too much noise, too many scams. So let's clean this up properly. At the top, you'll see different tabs: Dex Screener, Trending, Pump Live, Pulse. Ignore most of that for now. The real money is inside Pulse, because this is where new meme coins are born. You've got new pairs, fresh launches, final stretch, coins close to bonding, migrated, larger coins after graduation. And if you don't know how to filter these correctly, you're basically gambling. First, customize the terminal. Go to display. Turn metric size to large. Enable quick buy bubbles. Set your buy amounts depending on your account size. For example, 1 sol for small entries, 2 sol for medium, 3 sol for aggressive entries. Then switch from progress ring to progress bar. Way easier to read. You instantly see how close a coin is to bonding. And in meme coins, speed matters more than almost anything. Now let's set up the fees. This part matters way more than beginners realize. Open your presets. P1, aggressive market. P2, normal market. P3, slow market. Right now, the market is slower, so lower fees work perfectly. My typical setup: low priority fee, low bribe, lower slippage for safer entries, because if you overpay fees on every trade, you slowly bleed your account to death. But when a coin is extremely hot, you increase slippage and priority so your transaction actually goes through. That's the balance. Save money during slow markets. Spend for speed during hot markets. Now let's get into the real edge: filters. Because the difference between profitable traders and exit liquidity is usually what they ignore. Open filters and start removing trash. Set developer holdings max 5%, insiders max 20%, top holders max 25%. Immediately, your feed becomes cleaner. Less garbage, less rugs, less manipulated coins, and more actual opportunities. Now let me show you the big 4 checks. This alone will save you from most bad trades. Every single time you open a coin, you check these 4 things every time. Number 1, holders. Open holder distribution. You want the top holders spread out properly. If a single wallet controls 10%, that's dangerous, because one sell can completely destroy the chart. Personally, I like seeing top wallets under 4%, 2%, 3%. Healthy distribution. That means the supply isn't controlled by one whale waiting to dump on everyone. Number 2, funding. Check where the wallets got funded from. If the top wallets all came from the same source, same wallet, same exchange timing, that's usually bundled activity, which means the dev may control huge amounts of supply secretly, and bundled coins usually end the exact same way, straight up, then one candle straight to zero. Number 3, community. This is where most people get lazy. Open the Twitter, open the community page, look at the replies, look at the engagement, look at the timing. Are real people talking, or is it fake bot comments saying moon every 2 seconds? You want activity, memes, people posting organically, actual excitement, because meme coins only move when communities care. No community, no buyers. No buyers, dead chart, simple. Number 4, the meme itself. And this is underrated. Ask yourself, does this actually look like something retail would buy? Is the art good? Is the branding memorable? Is the ticker clean? Is it original? Because people buy emotions first, not fundamentals. Bad art kills momentum instantly. And recycled copycat memes almost never become major runners. Now let's talk about entries, because most beginners buy the absolute worst possible spot. The top. Every time you see a green candle, your brain screams buy, and then instantly nuke. Instead, you want to buy fear, specifically 30 to 40% dips on strong community coins. This is one of the most repeatable setups in meme coins. Coin runs from 20,000 to 40,000. Then panic sellers slam it back down 40%. That is where I get interested, not at the top. Because on strong coins, these dips often bounce aggressively, and you do not need a 100x. Most traders would become profitable just consistently taking 2x and 3x moves. That's it. Small Small wins compound fast. Now let's talk about bundled charts, because once you learn this, you can literally see manipulation instantly. Bad chart, straight vertical candles, no healthy pullbacks, no natural selling, just up, then one candle, dead. That's usually fake volume or bundled wallets. Healthy chart looks different. People buy, people sell, price pulls back naturally, then continues moving. Real humans create messy charts. Fake volume creates robotic charts, and once you stare at enough charts, you'll never unsee it again. Another huge edge inside Axiom, Twitter Tracker. This feature is insanely useful. You can track crypto influencers, big accounts, trend pages, and instantly see new narratives forming in real time. And this matters because meme coins move off attention. The earlier you catch attention, the earlier you catch the move. You can also track wallets directly inside Axiom. And this is powerful, but listen carefully. Never blindly copy wallets, ever. Use wallet tracking to identify smart money, spot insiders, avoid dangerous entries, not to blindly ape after someone else already bought, because by the time you react, you're usually the exit liquidity. Last thing, limit orders. Most people completely ignore this feature. Huge mistake, because instead of staring at charts all day, you can automate entries and exits. If a coin dips to your target, Axiom buys automatically. If it pumps to your target, Axiom sells automatically. That means you stop trading emotionally, and emotional traders get destroyed in meme coins. Every single time. At the end of the day, this game is not about getting lucky. It's about better filters, better entries, better risk management, and moving faster than everyone else. That's it. And if you actually apply what you learned in this video, you're already ahead of 95% of meme coin traders. If you got value from this video, drop a like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to break down next. And if you want access to Axiom Pro, the referral link and code are in the description. I'll see you in the next one.